Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to assign the developer role to a user under your subscriptions. Only users with the developer role can access Intratec data via the API or Excel add-in. To start, click Login on the upper right corner of the Intratec website homepage. Then fill in your admin or owner account credentials. And click Login. Once loaded, you'll be automatically redirected to your products page. Go to Account and click Users Management. Here, click on Manage Users on the row corresponding to the product you want to update. Then, check the Developer box for the email that will be used to access the APIs and save the changes. We recommend assigning the developer role to a shared corporate email, ensuring API access remains uninterrupted if a team member leaves. Thank you for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions.